Hi guys, good day. For this video, we will be discussing another feature of Raptor, which is arrays or using arrays. Yan. Uh, why is arrays important? Kasi there is some point in time that we will be inputting multiple data which is pare-parehas naman. For example, set of grades, numbers, which is redundant. Or for example, kagaya na ito nakikita natin, as a simple program, we could have finding the sum of 4 values. We could enter first value to be x, second value y, third value z, and fourth value is w. What if ang kailangan nyo is 20 variables? You need 20 numbers. Edi you will be putting so many letters there. Maglalagay kayo ng sobrang daming variables. Then, isa-isa nyo silang gagawa ng uh, input na command. Diba? Which is, it could be redundant or it could be costly or time consuming sa paggagawa niyan. Let's see, for example, let's run it. We could add the values of 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we will be getting the total of 10. The sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 10. Yeah. We could do it like this one if it is that simple. Pero paano pag 24 numbers, 25 numbers, or ang magdi-decide kung gaano kadaming numbers is yung gagamit. Kasi for example, you will be creating a program that the person could add as many numbers he want or she want. Diba? We could, this program itself is limited. Kaya we could create an array for that, or we could use the array functions for that para hindi maging limited or maging varying, or there is an open variable for the number of items or number of variables could be used. We could create this simple program using arrays na pwede siyang unlimited. Yan. Let's try creating. Try natin gumawa. For here, sa file na ito, we will be finding the sum of 4 numbers or x values where we have unknown. X values in the scores or sum of kung sa may scores in an array. Pwede siyang 4. Let's take an example of creating 4. And let's try creating number of, for example, unlimited variables. We could now introduce another concept which is index. Let's create a variable index equivalent to 1, or an independent something variable which is index. We may ask first, pwede tayo magtanong, please enter a number. We may ask him to enter a number. Yung number na i-enter niya, we will be saving it as n. Siya ay magiging variable n, yung i-enter na number, included in an index. Including in an index. Let's close and open bracket, index. Ibig sabihin, as you could see, ibig sabihin, ang may input daw na number would be included on the index. Papasok daw sa index. Yung variable n will be inside the index or yung set of numbers. Doon sa index na set of numbers, doon mapapasok yung values natin. Yan. If you click done, ganyan yung lalabas. Ang nakalagay sa loob is n, open bracket, index, close bracket. Yan. Then, after nyan, kasi we will be getting the sum. We will be creating another variable. The sum is, sa ngayon, ang sum ay equal sa 0. Sa ngayon, wala pa tayong ginagawang operations eh. Or pwedeng sa taas yan. Okay lang yan. Nasa taas. Lahat ng variables na sinet na nasimula. Yan. Pag nag-enter tayo ng initial number, if we enter the first number, syempre, mapapasok na siya sa sum. Diba? It would be part of the sum. Ibig sabihin, you will be having an equation of sum is equivalent to the sum plus, dahil ang sum natin ay 0, 0 plus, yung bagong sum, ulitin natin yung bagong sum is equivalent sa lumang sum plus kung ano yung in-enter natin sa index value or n, close bracket, index. Yan. Ibig sabihin, yung bagong sum is equivalent to the lumang sum plus n nang nasa index. Kung ano yung in-enter natin dito, siya din yung mapapadagdag sa sum. Yan. Kasi ang lumang sum ay 0, 0 plus, for example, nilagay ko yung 2, ay di ang bagong sum ay 2. Diba? We will be asking so many, kahit ilan. If we want, for example, we want na unlimited, kahit ilan ang gustong ilagay, we could create looping. Yan. Pwedeng ang looping natin syempre, we will be asking, after niya mag-input ng unang value, pwede natin sabihin ay, do you want to add more numbers? Yan. Kung gusto mo, for example, unlimited, do you want to add more numbers? Yan. If yes, for example, if yes, pwedeng type any letter or type any number. If no, magta-type daw tayo ng 0. Type 0. Kapag daw ayaw na, magta-type daw ng 0. Kapag yes, magta-type ng any number. Okay, pwede naman ganun. Gagawan tayo ng settings. Yeah. Do you want to add more numbers? If yes, type any number. If no, type 0. Yeah. Yun yung ating condition. Di pa paano ngayon yung gagawin natin? Kapag daw nag-yes, kapag daw nag-no, magta-type ng 0. Ibig sabihin, we could create, mag-e-exit tayo, mag-e-exit ang ating program kapag nag-type ng 0. Pwedeng ganun yung ating condition. Or pwede ding ang condition ay, depende kung ano yung lalagay niyo ditong settings. Okay. Kapag hindi siya nag-type ng 0, ano yung mangyayari? Pag hindi siya nag-type ng 0, ibig sabihin, he want to add another number. Meaning, we will be putting another value here. Kasi pag sabi niya, do you want to add another number, nag-type siya ng kahit anong number, ibig sabihin, gusto niya pang magpasok ng isa pang value. Meaning, yung index natin, dati ang index natin ay iisa lang, yung laman ng index natin dati ay iisa lang, kasi nalagyan na natin siya, we will assume na lalagyan natin siya ng panibago. Index is equivalent to the old index plus 1. Kasi mag-enter tayo ng panibago eh. Diba? Pwede ulit tayo magtanong. We may ask again. Enter a number. Yan. Enter a number daw ulit. Then, ilalagay ulit siya sa index. Tapos, we could add the same formula. The sum of, or you just copy it here. Nagkaroon lang naman tayo ng looping para pwede pang humingi ng pwedeng humingi. Every now and then. Then, we could have, after nyo, for example, natapos nyo na yung looping, kasi gano'n, add lang naman yun ng add, di ba? We could print, pwede tayong mag-output. We could have an output of, ang output natin na pwedeng ilagay is, pwedeng the sum of all numbers is, tapos space. Yeah. Then, i-add natin yung variable na sum. Kasi the sum of all numbers is yung value ng sum na nakuha natin. Medyo maliit. Yan. Ulit, index sa simula, 1. Kasi isa yung pwede nating ilagay. Ang sum, 0 pa nung una. Then, humingi tayo ng first number. Then, yung bagong sum ay yung lumang sum, which is 0, plus n index, kung ano yung nilagay dun sa loob. Then, kung gusto mong maglagay ulit, madadagdagan ng isang index natin. Maglalagay ng number, madadagdagan ulit yung sum natin. Pag gusto niya ulit maglagay, mag-a-add ulit ng isang index, so on and so forth. Pag ayaw niya na maglagay, pag nag-type siya ng 0, magdi-display na yung ating ayun. As I've checked, we have a wrong input. Ano yung wrong input natin? Kasi yung put, do you want to add more? Kailangan dapat ito mag-i-input tayo ng variable kasi maglalagay nga. Hindi nga mali, dapat ito hindi output. Dapat ito yung input kasi if yes, type any number. If no, type any number. Hindi naman tayo makakapag-type pag output ito. We will be making it as an input. Dapat siya ay input. Yan, input dapat siya. Hindi siya output. Siya ay magiging variable exit. Dapat daw yung variable exit natin is 0. Pag tinype niya 0, ay di sabihin, exit na. Pag hindi niya tinype yung pag ibang number na nilagay niya, magko-continue tayo. Hindi siya output, siya ay input. Yan pala ang ating mali kanina. Yan. Double check ulit natin before we start. Okay. Let's now start. Try natin. Let's try ulit computing 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. If we click start, 1. Do you want to add more numbers? I want to add more numbers. Enter a number 2. Do you want to add another numbers? I want to add another number. Then 3. I want to add another number again. Then, sorry, tapos na pala tayo. 0, for example. Do you want to add another number? Wala na, hindi na, ayoko na. Ibig sabihin, the total number is, ano nangyari? Ba't nagkaganon? Nawala. Ulitin natin. Run. Let's run. Yan. Please enter a number. Our first number is 1. Do you want to add another number? Yes, I want to add another number. Our next number is 2. Yes, I want to add another number. Ang number natin ay 3. Yes, I want to add another number. The number is 4. Then if we add, do you want to add? Ayoko na. Tapos na. Hanggang 4 lang. Meaning, the total number is, kung mapapansin nyo, the sum of all numbers is 10. Yan. Ibig sabihin, pag ganito yung setup, ibig sabihin, we may ask the user kahit ilan ang ilagay nila. For example, mag-a-add tayo i-add naman natin si 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8. We could try ulit. 5. I want to add another number. 6. Yes, I want to add another number. 7. Yes, I want to add another number. And 8. Tapos ayoko na magdagdag. The total of 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 is 26. Let's try nga. 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8. 26. This is an example of arrays na hindi nyo na kailangan magtanong na mag-type ng sobrang daming input values, 'di ba? Kahit unlimited ilagay, okay lang, 'di ba? Paano sir pag gusto kong iset na hanggang 4 lang? Paano sir pag hanggang 4 lang yung gusto kong iset? Ano po yung gagawin ko? We will be having another variable pag gusto nyo na ganon. If you want na hindi na kailangan magtanong na do you want to add another number? Do you want to add another number? You need to set, you may set, for example, ang gusto mong number of items ay 5 lang. 5 lang ang i-input na number. E di you could create another assignment. Yan. So for example, ay set count. Yan. Ang variable natin ay set count, siya ay hanggang 5 lang, for example. Hanggang 5 lang ang ating set count, for example. Then we may delete this one. Pwedeng hindi na tayo humingi. Hindi na natin kailangan hingin yan. Pwedeng ang ating gagawin na is, if ano pa pwede natin itanong? If we could consider na kapag yung set count ay equivalent na sa, pag ang set count ay equal na sa laman ng index. Diba? Kung gano'n kadami yung index, gano'n kadami dapat yung set count. Ibig sabihin, kapag ang sinet nating set count ay 5, pag nakalima ng input sa ating index, titigil na tayo. If the set count is equivalent to index, we may now print it. Pwedeng ganun ang ating setup. If the set count is equal to index, okay na tayo. Pwede din namang set nyo dito is, if index is equals to 5 na, yan, pwede na tayo mag-print. Pwede hindi na kayo maglagay ng set count. But if you want to have a better setup, pwede ganito yung gawin nyo. Let's say for example, wala nang question. Let's add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, we will be getting 15. Yan, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is 15. Let's now try, ano yung difference nila kapag ginawa nyo na siyang ganito compared dun sa kanina. If you run is 1, enter a number 2, 3, 4, and 5. Lalabas, the sum of all numbers is 15. Yan o. Hindi na kailangan magsagot na do you want, ganun. Pwede yung gawin kapag user yung unlimited yung access. Kung gusto niyo yung user, kahit ilan yung ilagay niya, it's important na may ganun. But if you want, na ganito yung gawin, di ba? Pwede naman ganyan yung gawin ninyo, na naka-set count na ganyan. Pwede naman yung iset na gano'n. Saan sir makikita yung mga laman ng aking mga index? If you click this N, if you click nyo itong plus na to, lalabas yung mga in-input nyo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sir, paano po pag hindi nakaset? Gusto ko po, ang magsasabi po kung gaano kadami po ang set count ay yung gagamit. For example, tatanungin ko po siya, ilan ba ang gusto mong i-add? For example, di pwede kang mag-enter ng input. For example is, how many set count do you want? Or how many numbers do you want to solve? For example, kung gusto nyong hindi naka-preset, gusto nyo kayo yung magtatanong kung ilan ang gusto nyong i-compute, pwede nyo ilagay. For example, I want to for example, 8, 9, or 10. We may set it as set count. Yan. Pwede na natin itong i-delete. Wala tayong setup. Pag ang inilagay niya dito ay ang gusto niyang set count ay 12, ay di automatic hanggang 12 yung index. Kasi for example, ang ilalagay kong set count ay 6. I want to add 6 items. Ano naman yung difference pag ganito yung ginawang setup? If I click start, for example is 6, terminate natin kasi stop natin kasi mas maganda, mas unang tatanungin ilan ang gusto mong set count, di ba? Bago magtanong ng number, tanungin muna natin kung ilan ang gustong set count. Start tayo. How many numbers do you want to solve? For example, I want to solve 6 numbers. Enter the first number. Example is 1. First number is, for example, is 1. Second number is 2. Third number is 3. Fourth number is 4. Fifth number is 5. And yung last number is 6. Automatic na siyang titigil. 21 ang total. Diba? Ibig sabihin, kapag ang sinet mong number dito ay 12, ay di 12 ang hihingi number ni program. Pag ang sinet mong number, if you start and you have set the number 2 lang, dalawa lang. How many numbers do you want to solve? 2 lang. Ay di dalawa lang ang hihingi niya number. 25 plus, for example, 25 plus 35. Automatic na magpiprint that the sum is 30. Yun yung gamit ni index at saka ni arrays. Kasi if we are using this kind of program, yung simple program lang na add having number of variables, it is limited. Kung ilan lang yung ginawa mong format dyan, ilan lang kadami yung pwede niyang isolve. But if you will be creating arrays, pag gumamit tayo ng arrays, our program could be more flexible enough to render service kung ano man yung kailangan ni user. I hope you have understand something about this arrays, and I hope you will be utilizing it on your project. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. God bless.